Got another box. I'm quite enjoying doing these videos, can you tell? And buying pointless stuff that I can't actually sell. This box is actually got some branded stuff in, so I've gone vintage branded t-shirts, and then I've got some graphic t-shirts, and I've got some more Disney t-shirts, because Disney t-shirts are actually quite cool. But I think I'm going to do 3 videos, so I'm going to shoot it all as one, and then I'm going to do like 3 different videos. So I'm going to have the vintage ones first, or whatever's on top is going to go first, and then Disney, and then graphic and music. Let me just get my knife. I'm just gonna got a knife this time, not a chisel. We have upgraded. Sold a t-shirt, bought a knife. The only problem with knives is you almost cut the t-shirt. And before I start, I just want to hope everybody's safe and everyone's happy with this whole virus going on. I've actually come out of it more positive than I thought I was, which is a bit weird, because I didn't get furloughed at first with my job, but then Depop has been flying. I've just been having fun, learning how to do things. I made a bucket hat the other day. Anyway, enough about me. I'm going to open some clothes. First things first, we have Adidas red basketball t-shirt. It's quite cool. T-shirt. XL? That's not an XL. Never been an XL. And it's in decent condition. That's quite cool. It's like maybe early 2000s, I'd guess. Oh, that's cool. California Nike tee with like it's a sewn on, like an iron-on Nike patch almost. Can you see? Next up, yeah, the plain old Adidas blue t-shirt. But like some of the old ones of these are actually going for quite a bit. So like the Adidas equipment era of clothes are going for quite a bit. Size large. It's quite a nice t-shirt. It's nice to actually open some branded stuff. I actually know what I'm getting. Instead of, hey, here's a music t-shirt from some random dude in America. Just the plain white Nike tee. Some good stock fillers, I guess, so far. XL, like, it brings traffic. Things like Adidas and Nike, they bring traffic always to your shop. So if you put like a vintage Nike sweatshirt on your shop, you're gonna get 30-40 visitors for that, and then your other stuff sells around that. So it's always a good idea to get some vintage Nike and vintage Adidas, even if it's just, ugh, that's disgusting, just plain old t-shirts. Oh, this looks cool. I don't even know if it's like a Rasta shoe almost. I don't even know if like that old school like chavvy t-shirts are actually going for much, like at all. Oh, by the way, all these t-shirts equals out to about £3 a t-shirt, including delivery, including VAT. Without all that, it's about £2 a t-shirt. And these are grade B, so there's going to be a few marks and stuff. I don't like that. You know, like I say, some stock fillers for now. The Nike SB t-shirt. I don't know, like, white, size medium. Like, these are probably going to retail at like 10-15 quid a t-shirt, and maybe some will hit the 20-25 mark if it's like really cool. Like this is quite sick. I really like that. It's got like it's almost like tartan, I guess. I like that. Team GB Adidas tee. I don't even know how many were down in a minute. I'm flying through these because I don't have to talk about them like I did the last ones and try and figure out what's what. Ooh, the next one looks good. Yeah. Baby blue and Adidas they just go. Like I had 2 baby blue Adidas equipment sweatshirts like a year ago, and I sold them for so cheap. Like I think I sold them for 35 quid, and now they're like touching 90 quid. So baby blue Adidas is the one. It's this. It's the big Adidas tee. Navy blue. Not too shabby. Just a normal Nike tee. It's all very basic, isn't it, actually, so far? Like, I'm not disappointed, like, there's money to be made, but I wanted something like showstopper stuff. Like, damn, I've never seen that before, but I've seen every t-shirt in here. That is thick, that is old. Oh man, that's such a shame that. It's like a really thick beige Nike tee, but it's a bit dirty. Oh, that's such a nice material, man. I wish I could show you this. I wish you could feel through the camera, but you can't. 100% cotton. It feels thick. It's like a thick cotton. Okay, that's quite cool. I've never seen a Nike tee in. What even shape is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Pentagon? I think. Maybe. I think we've got the last 3. Something that's a branded of a. I don't know. I don't even know what it says. It's like French Geo Tigers. It's like a LA Lakers colour, but it's like French something. What do you think so far, by the way? I think boring, but we made money, so like I'm not disappointed. But like I said, I'm not thrilled with what I've got. Like I say, just stock fillers. Literally just here, £10 t-shirt, £10 t-shirt. You want a £10 t-shirt? Here's a £10 t-shirt. Average. I won't be buying this kind of stuff again, I don't think. Maybe we get lucky in the end. Just boring, branded t-shirts. And all the cool stuff is ruined. Like this is the coolest one, but it's like so stained. Oh man, we've definitely made money on it. Like that cost me £3 a t-shirt. If I sell everything at a £5, like we're sound. And vintage Nike, vintage Adidas. Actually, was there just? I think there was just Nike and just Adidas in that. Mad. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the vintage branded t-shirt section. I think I've made money. If you want anything on there, go to my Depop. I'll link it. If you don't, then don't. Subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. And I'm gonna open the Disney stuff and the music t-shirts. I see a cool Mickey Mouse tee, and I see a cool guitar tee. So, I'll see you later.